so rude. Do me a favor and come over here for me, man.
Nope, you can speak right. I'm not at home.
You know what? Turn around, put your hands behind. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. You are now under arrest.
For what?
For what?
What happens to suspects when a cop loses his temper because they were egging their friends' vehicles? Find out in this video. Continue watching. I'm Squink. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. Now I jump into these videos daily where I watch a new body cam footage and try to break it down in real time using my law enforcement experience. And to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Not going to waste any more time. Here we go. I've got a fast car. I got a ticket to anywhere. Alright, let's jump in. Bodycam Files. Here's why you don't play stupid pranks. Never seen it, reacting in real time. Giving it to you raw.
Officers respond to a neighborhood where a caller stated she just observed a drunk mother throwing eggs at a car with her teenage daughter.
Hey, open the garage.
It's a good mother-daughter bonding activity, though.
Back up, please. Bravo 502, she just went into the garage and shut the door.
Swapping places with the daughter.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Deputy Thornton, Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Hey,
Hi.
how are ya?
Hey, by chance were you throwing eggs with your daughter? Silly question, I know, because you're a middle-aged woman, but I gotta ask.
Good, you?
I'm doing all right.
Putting the
So
eggs
I don't
away.
really know what's going on. I have another deputy that's somewhere else. Do you have any idea why we're here right now?
No.
I've got an
Bravo 602,
idea.
I'm 1012. Okay. So he's on his way here now. To I guess discuss with you whatever was happening.
Okay.
Yeah, could you stay with me, though?
Yeah, you can get out. It's fine.
All I know
Oh.
is that these kids.
So she swapped places with the daughter. So she's probably either drunk or has a suspended license. That's why she wants her daughter in the driver's side.
Of being teenagers, and that's it. That's all I can.
Okay. So what's your name?
Sure.
Is there more people
No.
in the car? Okay. Why'd you say what'd you say?
I'm sure you know.
I know what.
My name? I thought you would have.
Why?
I just thought
Why would I know your name?
because the people who call the police and know who we are.
No, I have no idea
They're
your
not
name.
stupid.
No.
You're here for a reason. It's...
Okay. All right. So how about we step outside of
Her mom's like, way to go. You literally just blew our cover.
the garage? Okay, I understand what you're saying now. I was confused about maybe I ran into you in the past. Okay, so why am I here? Because I'm a little confused right now.
No, you're not. You know.
You're confused?
I'm confused.
Why you were told to come here?
Right, so there's another officer on a call in reference to something, and I just came by to see if you guys were home.
Oh, yeah, we were just...
We rode by her friend's house.
It's like an ongoing joke about egging people's cars, and it's been, I'm sure you've heard that the police have been called before. It's like a whole big
True.
thing. Our cars were egged, so we egged their car back, and
Right.
I don't know why somebody decided to call the police again, knowing that it's a joke. But I've spoken to the police before about this.
Okay.
Not regarding my vehicle, but regarding someone else's vehicle. So
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so not regarding your vehicle, someone else's, but you spoke. When did you speak to him last? Because I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea. I didn't ever hear about
I
this.
didn't tell you, but it was...
Oh,
Great.
I didn't tell you. It was like...
that's okay. That happens
Three
sometimes, Mama.
weeks ago, it was like Cody Mooney egged everybody's cars. I didn't
Okay.
tell you about that, but
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to talk to Bill.
Hello.
Hey, honey.
I'm going to
What'd
talk
you do?
to Bill.
you know
Nothing.
exactly what
Why are cops here?
we did. You got arrested.
So, I'm Deputy Thornton. Deputy Hutcherson is on his way over here. He's the one that's working whatever all of this is. I just came by to see
Are the red and blues really necessary in this situation?
if you guys were here. I was just given a vehicle description and to see if you guys were here, and I just happened to
We're here.
pass by as you guys were pulling in the
The
driveway.
dad's like, I'm so damn sick of this shit.
She let them in. It's an egg game that these kids are going. Listen, I've known about this shit for weeks, and not any of these kids
He goes, why the hell haven't I?
are innocent.
You get to know, but I don't.
Okay.
Whatever.
All right, and like I said, I'm not sure the other party who called at this time. I just was sent over here to see if the car was here. That's all. That's all I know right now. So he is on his way though. So he should be here any minute.
Your taser charge?
It is. It is very much a charge.
I got 4 kids inside. Can we get it? Darn it.
Yeah.
No, we're not going anywhere.
Did she just make a joke about tasing her 4 children inside? Lady, what?
Your wife's on it.
Going.
Sorry, I was gonna grab my chapstick out of the car.
Okay, you can grab your chapstick. Yes, you are detained right now though, just so we're clear.
Okay.
This has been going on for so long.
Okay, I didn't know that this was like a thing.
I didn't either until like a month ago.
Okay.
So you knew it was a
All right.
thing
You
then?
know where it is?
This is
I think it's in the passenger seat
is
because your
like-
mom just put it on.
an ongoing thing. Yeah.
Would you like to put on an outfit? A mermaid outfit?
No, I'm good actually. No,
This guy's like, I hate my
I'm.
fucking
I
life.
think I'm all right with that. Why are you causing problems on this fine evening?
Well, you just gotta get them back.
It is a full moon.
It is a full
That's a
moon.
real
How
thing.
crazy is women?
That is a real thing. People do lose their minds quite often on full moons. I don't know what it is about the full moon, but that is very much a real thing.
On a full moon, it be like that.
She starts the
sometimes.
car and just reverses it and peels out and a pursuit begins.
I have another one. It's okay.
Could you imagine?
Hey, and the crazy thing is the neighbor that we ran into
Oh, he's here.
is our neighbor's son or son-in-law, whatever. But you might get too good for you.
They're all nervous because it's a male cop.
Can you find the signal one?
So the young one was driving, and she said she's the one that egged the car. She said it's been like a thing that all the kids have been doing to each other, apparently. But I didn't go any further than that. So, because it's...
We can separate. Do me a favor and come over here for me, man.
Nope, you can speak right. I'm not
All right.
home.
You know what? Turn around, put your hands behind. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. You are now under arrest.
For what?
What?
55 her too, then, since she wanted to admit to doing it.
I did.
I'm sorry. Why did he get so amped up just because he was told no? Dude, is your pee-pee that small? Come on.
Not do.
Put your hands together like you're praying. Like you're praying.
Yeah, and you're gonna need to pray because you're going to jail.
Really necessary. I'm just.
No, it wasn't
Did she do
necessary.
anything wrong?
I have no idea because I wasn't there. But he asked her to step over there so that way we could conduct our investigation, and she refused to. Did you let me to get in?
Yep.
So that's
absolutely.
a problem. That's called resisting.
How much have we had to drink today?
2 White Claws.
Okay. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety exercises?
No.
So a refusal can be used against you in court later on.
Remember what I said at the beginning? Why they may have switched spots?
Okay.
All right. So I also have suspicions of you being DUI driving your vehicle.
I'm not driving.
I have witnesses that put you in the vehicle. You and your daughter swapped seats, and you drove when you fled the scene.
Nope.
I have witnesses telling me that.
Okay.
Are you willing to submit to field sobriety?
Nope.
Okay.
10-4, is this an additional 755?
Correct. This is a Whiskey Foxtrot signal 56.
I have my phone on me. Is that okay? Or do you need it?
10-4.
It's in my waistband, like my pocket. There's nothing else on me though.
Do I hear a baby crying or something? Okay, you can have a seat.
There's like a. Oh,
There you go.
All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
yes, sir.
You have the right to talk to an attorney and have one present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
I don't know what to say.
Either you want to answer questions or you don't want to answer questions without an attorney.
I won't, I guess.
Okay.
You will
Sounds
not
good.
answer questions?
Is that like a problem? I don't really know how this.
Absolutely not. I'm going to go off of the evidence I have.
So that's your right. If you are invoking your
I
Miranda right,
thought she said she was willing to answer questions.
then that means that you do not want to speak to us and answer questions with us right now.
Oh, then I won't, I guess. Do you need my ID?
You won't answer questions? Is that what you're saying? I'm just trying to make sure I'm clear.
I guess not. No,
Okay, all right, thanks. That's all we needed.
She's like, wait, hold on. I didn't expect the car door to shut. Can I answer the questions?
I haven't read them to her yet, but she's refused field sobriety.
Okay. All right. Help me understand what's happening.
So the daughter was driving when they pulled back up in?
Correct. Well, here's the thing. The garage shut.
Well, I have a will witness that put her behind
the garage shut, and then they reopened.
Apparently, a neighbor, this has been a dispute between her and another girl in school. A neighbor was coming into the neighborhood. Mom was out egging the vehicle in the driveway. There's eggs all over the car, everything else.
So usually during an egging of a vehicle, if there's no damage to the vehicle after it's washed off, there's no crime. Unless there's some city ordinance specifying like egg throwing is not allowed. But for the crime of vandalism to have met statutory requirements, there needs to be damage. And lots of times, if the eggs don't dry or it's not super hot out and it didn't get on the paint and it doesn't sit there a bit, there's no damage.
Is there actual damage to the car?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
But it can cause potential damage because they're eggs. It will peel paint off.
Okay.
So
This guy cop is like, thinks everyone's out to get him, even his fellow officers. Like, he hates anyone challenging him or asking him a question.
the guy got out and talked to him. Or actually, they followed him down the road. They went into Sonoma where Jeremy lives. They got caught back there. They got out and talked to him. Mom jumped in the driver's seat of the vehicle and took off.
Also, did he say dental damage?
Paint off.
Okay.
So the guy got out and talked.
Damage to the car?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
But it can cause potential damage because they're eggs.
The
It will
dental
peel paint off.
damage.
So the guy got out and talked to him. Or actually, they followed him down the road. They went into Sonoma where Jeremy lives. They got caught back there. They got out and talked to him. Mom jumped in the driver's seat of the vehicle and took off.
So.
And they identified her as the suspect because apparently their parents live next door.
Okay.
So right now, as far as I'm concerned, the only crime that's being investigated right now should be that DUI. You can't just take someone to jail without knowing if there's actually a crime. Like I said before about the eggs.
So when I pulled up in the garage, they saw me pull up behind. I initiated my lights, and then they started shutting the garage door. And I yelled, "Hey, open the garage back up." The garage door fully shut, and then they opened it back up. And when they opened it back up, Mom was getting out of the passenger side. So they very easily could have switched seats.
Oh, yeah. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
What am I being arrested for?
Do you understand the rights that I explained to you?
What am I being arrested for?
Do you understand each of these rights if I explained to you?
Yes. What am I
Okay,
being
having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
No.
Okay. So
What am I
you're
being
under
arrested?
you're under arrest for criminal mischief.
For what?
Criminal
What
mischief.
is that?
Egging a car.
Vandalism.
Can you get my husband?
I'll work on that in a minute. Turn around that way for me so I can make sure they double lock and don't lock down on you. You can spin back around and have us lean back against the back.
Criminal mischief is essentially
Tina was charged
vandalism.
with disorderly intoxication, loitering and prowling, and criminal mischief. Her daughter, a minor at the date of this incident, was also involved and arrested alongside her mother. However, because she is underage, any legal proceedings would be handled through the juvenile justice system, which is confidential. No case details about her arrest are currently available.
Wow. Okay, other than the male cop being totally unreasonable, just because he got a little attitude, I think they did a decent job. The female cop did a really good job of just remaining cool, talking to people, cool, calm, and collected, trying to get the details without being rude. She did a really good job. As a whole, however, because the male cop is the way he is, unfortunately, in this situation, I give him a C+. The reason being is because a lot of the time until after the vehicle has been washed, you won't know if those eggs caused damage. To just assume that they did because it fits your emotional state of being angry with someone disagreeing with you and because you want to take someone to jail for disagreeing with you or giving you a little bit of attitude, you can't do that. You've got to be 100% sure that a crime has been committed. Now, if he had taken her for the suspicion of DUI, I'm totally good with that because he had the odor of alcohol and her admission of 2 White Claws. And usually when someone tells you how much they've drank, you can usually double that. And that's usually the correct answer. So I'm going to assume she had 4 White Claws, but that's neither here nor there. She admitted to drinking, he had the odor, and witnesses put her in the seat of this vehicle. But because of his attitude, his unreasonableness, his quick to temper, I'm gonna give him a C+, especially because he doesn't know if that caused damage or not. So to just book her in, assuming it did, yeah, I don't agree with that whatsoever. So those are my thoughts. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video.